What's going on, guys? Levi here from Not Another Car Vlog. Got a weird one for you today, introducing you to another car I don't think you've really officially seen yet. Gonna do some work on the 69 Volkswagen Beetle. I'm going to bug out this weekend. Going to try to find a door for it. This one was a good shot, but didn't quite do it. But my other door, my good passenger door, has a little bit of surface rust forming, so I'll try this P.O.R. 15 or P.O.R. 15, however you say it. Kind of mini kit. Comes with this small can of the actual coating, came with the degreaser, which I've already mixed up, 4-to-1, and then it comes with this metal prep I'm going to do now. Do all this, and then I'm going to coat the inside of this door. So as you can see down there, I've got a little bit of surface rust forming. Nothing too insane. Clean this out with stiff bristle brush and quite a few coatings of the degreaser product that they supply. So I'm only going to get down in here and coat these areas, probably that being the worst of it. Take care of that and try to keep any new rust from forming before we get into a deep restoration of this car again. So I just finished applying the first, not really coat, but wetting down the rust area with this the metal prep, and supposedly pretty nasty stuff. So I've got the garage open, got some plastic down, gonna keep it wet for 30 minutes. So I keep coming back and checking it, applying where it's needed. See that white coating that's forming? That's what we're looking for. That's zinc. That's what's actually going to encapsulate the rust. So get the first coat in, adequate coverage. Definitely try to hit that hinge. Alright, got the second coat in there. Try to clean up my line a little bit. It's not beautiful, but it's there. And yep, coat 2. So why does this whole P.O.R. 15 thing matter? Two guys, a bunch of import cars, and then one old Volkswagen. Well, here's why. A lot of these older NAs are starting to experience rust down here in the start of the rear quarter panel, and another notorious spot is up here in the box frame down these sections right here. So if you have a Miata or anything else and you're starting to see that kind of rust, you want to address that sooner than later before it becomes a big problem. So overall, definitely say pleased with the experience using this little kit, and we'll be using a lot more because I've got another project car coming, and here's a hint. Stay tuned.